Привет, это канал Star Russian, и сегодня мы поговорим о русской национальной кухне. И это вторая часть. So we will talk about Russian cuisine in this video, and it is the second part of it. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe and see our website and social media. So guys, in this video we will talk about вторые блюда, выпечка, сладости к чаю и напитки. Давайте начнем. Начнем со вторых блюд. So, Russians love to add different stuffings into the dough, and let's see some of the dishes. First of all, it is пельмени. Now you take a dough and you add meat and you get пельмени, and you can eat it with soup, with bouillon, or without it. So, and it's really nice with sour cream, with сметана or mayonnaise. Another thing is манты. So the stuffing is like potatoes, meat, minced meat, and onions. That's all. Another thing is хинкали. It's actually a traditional Georgian food, but it became so popular here, so I added here as well. And you can eat it like in lots of cafes. So another thing is вареники. It's again, there are so many stuffings of it, and let's see them. So you can eat вареники с вишней, вареники с мясом, вареники с грибами, вареники с картошкой, вареники с творогом. And for drama lovers, all of these words are used in a instrumental case. Творительный падеж. Okay, other main courses. Гуляш. So it's chopped meat and it's cooked in a sauce, certain sauce, you can see it here. And another thing is котлеты, it's cutlet, and it's not a steak, котлеты, so you should mix, like it with milk, with bread, and with like onions, and some salt, and meat, and eggs, yeah. So your eggs, and you mix everything and you fry it on a pan and you get котлеты. Now you can eat lots of like main courses with garnir. So garnir, it can be eaten with гречка, buckwheat, macaroni, so pasta, puree, mashed potatoes, rice with rice. Another thing is голубцы. These are the stuffed cabbage leaves. So inside of it we have a rice and meat, minced meat. Yeah. Давайте посмотрим напитки. First of all, let's see some dairy products. Ряженка, baked yogurt, and it has kind of orangish color. Another thing is простокваша, it's curdled milk, кефир. It's like mildly alcoholic drink, but it's really tasty and Russians love it. So another thing, кисель, it's a very starched drink. Компот, stewed fruits. So you take fruits and you add some water and sugar and you boil it. And after that you get компот. Okay, and now let's see other drinks. So another thing is квас. It's a bread juice or rye bread juice or rye bread beer. So it's made of rye bread and it is a fermented thing, and you can actually do it at home. You just need to take rye bread crust and add like water and sugar, and you wait for 3-4 days while it's fermented. Then I guarantee you it's so tasty, and especially good to satisfy your thirst during summer heat. So another thing is vodka, and I'm sure lots of people, almost all the people, heard about it, and they actually have association in Russia with vodka. But it's true that many people love it, many people drink it, but don't have so many stereotypes about us. We're not drunkards and like vodka lovers. That's not true. Okay, vodka. Yeah, and traditional way to drink vodka is to like somebody drinks vodka and we have a snack right after that. A snack with salad, bread, and garlic. Yeah. And another thing is tamagon. It's a home distilled vodka, and it's usually made of potatoes, like fermented potatoes, cereal grains, or some fruits. And to do it, people need that, like machinery. And it was so popular during the US ever, and many, like almost all the people, all the Russian people did that, and they were selling it, doing some business. And even now, people still continue doing that, but it became a bit illegal, and you need a license for that. Tamagon. And it's like a hard drink. I guess it has like 40% of alcohol, 50. Okay. Another thing is pastry, выпечка. So we have many pies, big pies, small pies. So пирожки, this is a small pie, and it's for one person. You can take it, and a big pie you can divide it like each like that. And you have many stuffings. You can have a stuffing, any stuffing you want. So we can have пирожки с картошкой, пирожки с капустой, пирожки с мясом, пирожки с вишней, пирожки с яблоками. So the same, like пирог из яблок, пирог из капусты, пирог из творога, пирог из грибов. No, anything, any stuffing you want. Okay, and now let's move to different sweets. So if a Russian person invites you for tea, you can find with сладости. So сладости к чаю. First of all, it's сырники. It's like a cottage cheese with like eggs and some flour and sugar. Then you just need to mix it and then fry on the pan. And you can even ask your Russian friend to cook it for you. So it's really tasty, and it's eaten with like sour cream again, сметана. Another thing, like all the Russians have, is варенье. So it's kind of jam made of fruits. Блины. These are the thin pancakes. You can see like on the picture. The оладьи. These are the thick pancakes. Okay. Another thing is сухари. You can see it. Сушки. This type of sweet. И пряники. Okay guys, so that's all for today's lesson. See you in the next video, and tell me in the comments which is your favorite Russian food. Okay, bye bye.